Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Coughing is a natural reflex of the respiratory tract to eliminate microorganisms that are affecting the airways. In many cases, we look for medications at the pharmacy to solve the problem, but they end up not being very effective. One of the best natural remedies for treating coughs, throat inflammations, and respiratory infections is a syrup made with onion and sugar. In today's video, we'll talk about the combination of these two ingredients and what benefits you can get from them. 1. Calming a throat. Throat irritation is one of the main causes of cough. A syrup made with sugar and onion can help relieve this irritation. By reducing the discomfort in the throat, the cough goes away. 2. Expectorant. Mixing sugar and onion makes for a great expectorant. The syrup works by softening the mucus and clearing the lungs, which helps take care of a cough. 3. Antibiotic. Most cough medicines found in pharmacies only have expectorant action, but end up not helping much to fight the infection that caused the cough. The onion, on the other hand, is rich in sulfur, which helps to eliminate the germs responsible for respiratory infections. 4. Reduces inflammation. The onion is able to reduce inflammation in the airways, which helps alleviate common problems in respiratory infections, such as difficulty breathing. 5. Anti-allergen. If that's not enough, the onion has a natural antihistamine called quercetin, which helps bring relief to some typical symptoms of allergic reactions, such as a cough. The mixture of these two ingredients uses different ways to give us relief. Now that you know the benefits of this syrup, we'll teach you how to prepare it. This is a very old and very popular home remedy due to its effectiveness. And best of all, it can be used by both adults and children. Ingredients: 1 onion. Sugar. Instructions: cut the onion into slices. Place these slices in a large pot and layer them. Put a layer of onion, then a layer of sugar, another layer of onion, and another of sugar, and so on, ending with a layer of sugar. Cover the pot to keep ants and other insects away and let it rest overnight. The next day, you will find the glass with a honey-colored liquid. This liquid is the syrup. You should take 1 teaspoon every 3 hours. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.